This is the Angel Next Door podcast, where we will talk about all things angel investing, what it is, who does it, how do we find them, what does it mean to invest in an early stage company. If you have ever wondered how you can affect the change you want to see in the world, then tune in to learn more.
Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Angel Next Door podcast and part 2 of our end-of-year wrap-up. Reflecting on the second half of 2025, it's clear that our journey together this year has been about so much more than just numbers or markets. It's been about changing perspectives, growing confidence, and expanding what's possible for each of us. If you've listened through recent episodes, you likely noticed a subtle but powerful shift. Our conversations grew beyond the basics of angel investing to explore a much broader vision of wealth. As a community, we began to ask, what does wealth really mean? How does it show up in our daily decisions, our relationships, and our ability to choose our own future? This curiosity was so foundational that it inspired our rebrand, adding the words Wealth Reimagined to the Angel Next Door. But with this new focus, I want to be clear. Investing to align with your values and doing good while doing well is still a core pillar of this show. We continue to break down all the ways to invest, founder stories, taxes, exits, and all the strategies that empower you to invest in startups or early stage ventures. What's new is that we've opened the door to even more ways to build wealth and invest. Over these past months, our episodes explored other investment paths like real estate, private equity, and alternative assets. Guests and listeners shared what drew them to opportunities outside traditional stocks or startups, whether it was the potential for steady cash flow, portfolio diversification, or the impact of investing directly in local communities. These episodes sparked great questions, from understanding syndicates and passive income to tackling taxes and long-term strategies. This expanded scope reinforced a key theme, that wealth and empowerment comes in many forms. Our money isn't just a tool for building a portfolio. It's a way to shape our stories and our legacies. We talked about rewriting family money narratives, shifting out of scarcity mindsets, and leaning into curiosity instead of perfectionism or guilt. Education remained a central focus, with practical insights helping more listeners step into new types of deals or ask the first bold question in a mastermind or investment group. As always, community and connection were at the heart of it. Whether exploring angel rounds, real estate syndication, or building your own support network, our guests and listeners reminded us how vital it is to be surrounded by collaborative partners and mentors. True abundance, both financial and emotional, thrives in spaces where conversations are open, support is accessible, and wins are celebrated together. And through it all, we kept returning to purpose. Investing isn't about chasing returns. It's about aligning our money with our values, fueling innovation, and yes, doing good while doing well. Whether backing founders you believe in, investing in resilient neighborhoods, or simply building confidence in your own financial decisions, the real reward is participating in progress. So as we look forward to 2026, I want to thank you for growing with us. The Angel Next Door Wealth Reimagined will continue to bring you practical strategies, inspiring stories, and new perspectives on everything from angel investing, real estate, and other ways to shape and share wealth. It's all about expanding our original mission. And I'm grateful for every listener, every question, and every courageous step you've taken along the way. Don't forget, you can go to my website at marciadawood.com and find playlists of all of the episodes now that we're over 150 and see them categorized there by areas like women's health, money, AI, age tech, crowdfunding, all kinds of things. So here's to a new year that's abundant, intentional, and full of possibilities. I'll see you soon. 2026 back here at the Angel Next Door Wealth Reimagined. Thanks for listening. To connect with me, visit my website at marciadawood.com. And please subscribe, follow, and leave a review. It helps the podcast get seen by more people. And remember, you can also find the Angel Next Door podcast on YouTube too. And if you're looking to learn more about investing in the changes you want to see in the world, sign up for Ann and Bill Payne's ACA Angel University classes. Go to theangelcapitalassociation.org, all one word, to find out the schedule. And classes are now available on demand. Many classes are offered, everything from angel investing basics, which include fundamentals, risk, due diligence, term sheets, valuations, returns and portfolio strategy, and even a class on group formation. There's even a deeper dive where you can get advanced classes, including capitalization tables, startup boards, and exit strategies. If you're not already a member of the Angel Capital Association, you can become one for a low price that will give you unparalleled access to discounts, free webinars with a huge archive of content, networking opportunities, and much more. We'd love to have you join us.
All content for this website is informational and not intended to serve as legal, tax, accounting, or investing advice. While Marcia, that's me, does serve on the SEC Small Business Capital Formation Advisory Committee, my views are my own and not the views of the SEC or my fellow colleagues on the committee. Our speakers and hosts are thoughtfully selected for their educational value, but their opinions are their own and do not necessarily represent the views of the host, me, or the Angel Capital Association, and neither specifically endorse the use of presenters' products or services. Listeners of the podcast should consult their own tax, investing, legal, or accounting advisors before making important financial decisions. All warranties, including accuracy, completeness, and suitability for specific purpose, are disclaimed.